This is the 6th video of my spoken English series Become Unstoppable by Speaking English. This series I have designed in a way that helps you to learn English in a non-English speaking environment. Hey, it's Wali Khan. In this channel, I empower people to become high-performance entrepreneurs. In my last video, I covered adjectives, adverbs, and prepositions. And in this video, I'm going to cover conjunction and interjection. So let's get started. Now, conjunction equals join. Words like but, and, or are conjunctions. If we talk about all the conjunctions in English language, these are the joining words that help us to join words, sentences, and ideas. Now the question is that why do we need conjunctions? Because of the three main reasons. Number one, conjunctions helps us to make the meaning clear. For example, let's say your friend came over and you ask him, hey, what would you like? And your friend says that I would like cake biscuit. And you're like, what is cake biscuit? Is it a new brand of biscuit? Is it a new brand of cake? Or it is a new dessert? And you ask your friend that what is it? And your friend tells you, I want cake and biscuit. Now because of the conjunction and it made the meaning clear to you that your friend wants cake and biscuit, not cake biscuit. The second thing conjunction does for us is that it helps us to save time. For example, let's say after eating cake biscuit, you decide to go to golf club, and you say to your parent that I am going to golf club, Ali is going to golf club. Now you've spoken two sentences. Instead of that, with the help of conjunction, you can say that I and Ali are going to golf club. So conjunction helps us to save time. The third usage of conjunction is that it helps us to put together different ideas in a sentence. For example, that you are watching this video because you want to improve your spoken English and confidence, and that is why I thank to you. Now in this sentence, I put together a lot of ideas in a singular sentence and conveyed it once at a time. Think of conjunctions as connectors of plumbing. With the help of these connectors, you can bend a pipe, you can give connections to different kinds of pipe, and you can connect a lot of things. Think of conjunctions that way. Now the second thing, interjection. Interjection equals emotions. Interjections equal emotions. When we communicate, when you talk with people, different kinds of emotions goes up and down. And to express these up and down emotions, we have interjections like, oh, wow, With the help of these interjections, it helps us to express ourselves, our emotions. If we talk about all the conjunctions in English language, they help us to, convey the emotion of happiness, of sadness, of surprise, all kinds of different emotions that we go through when we communicate. And the question is that why do we need conjunction? Just because if you want to convey the feeling of other person, when we are communicating, we want to tell other person that we are happy. We want to respond to the conversation. If we are happy, we say, wow, okay, tell me more about that. If you're sad, we sympathize with other person, you say, okay, that's so sad. To communicate better, to sympathize with people, conjunction help us to communicate emotions. These are emotion words. With the help of communication, we can communicate emotion. And once we communicate emotion, boom, that is when communication takes the next level. So these are conjunction and interjection. Now I want you to, after watching this video, go on Google and type online test for conjunctions and interjection and go and take that quiz. And once you take that quiz, it will help you to understand better conjunction and interjection. And once you understand that, and you can use them really well once you are speaking. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. And comment below if you have any questions or an idea in your mind. I will see you in my next grammar video.